what's going on? My name is Amir and you are watching Street Production 303, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys what I do to maintain the interior of my car and how I make it look brand new like it just rolled out of the factory, and what I do to keep that leather hydrated and looking brand new. Especially living here in Colorado, we have really dry weather, low humidity, and leather tends to crack if you don't maintain it well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the tips and tricks that I use to keep my car looking fresh. But before we begin today's video, I got to move the car into the middle of the garage so I have more room to work, which requires a cold start. And I haven't started the car in 2 weeks. So this is going to be fun. Now, before you use any kind of product on the interior of the car, such as conditioner and whatnot, first of all, what you want to do, what I like to do, is vacuum the whole car. That means from the carpets, floor mats, as well as the seats, because a lot of us eat in our cars, a lot of dirt gets trapped in little crevices. Now, especially leather seats, you want to get all the dirt out of the crevices, because what happens is that acts like sandpaper, and as you're getting in and out of the car day after day, that starts to scratch and tear the leather, and then you have tears in the leather. So before you put any kind of product on the seats, on the dash and all that, you want to vacuum everything. You don't want to take a rag and rub dirt all over the car because you didn't vacuum the car. So that doesn't make sense at all to me. What you want to do is take a clean rag, put product on it, make sure the rest of the car is clean as possible, and then apply that product. So let's get going. Vacuum the car from top to bottom, make sure it's spotless before we use any kind of product, so that we make sure that everything is done correctly. Okay, so after vacuuming the car, the next step is to clean the dash and also condition the leather. And there are a lot of different products out there. I like to use Lexol, and that is because when I apply Lexol and I let it sit for an hour, when I come back to open the door of the car, it smells like brand new leather. It doesn't have a funny, fruity scent to it whatsoever. It just has a new leather smell to it. That's why I like Lexol. I've tried a bunch of other products. No other product that I've used makes the leather pop and the colors just pop like crazy. The reds are more red, the blacks are darker. It just looks amazing, and it adds that new leather smell to the car. So every time you get in, you feel like you're jumping into a new car because that new leather smell. So let's get going. Apply the conditioner on the seats, on the dash. If you don't have a leather dash, just wipe off the dust with a dry microfiber rag. That is pretty much it. It took no longer than 30 minutes to do. Really easy. As long as you maintain your interior every so many months, it's really not that hard to keep it looking brand new and smelling fresh. I'm not one of those guys that's gonna spend 3, 4, 5 hours detailing the interior of a car, because that's crazy. I mean, unless you let it go that bad, you might need a whole fucking day to take care of that type of interior. But this one wasn't too bad. Just some vacuuming and conditioning, which you wanna do in Colorado because the air is so dry. It's so dry that it will crack the leather, so you have to condition it. Think of your skin as human beings. We have to use lotion in the wintertime because our skin gets so dry. The same goes for leather. You want to take care of it if you want your interior to look brand new. That is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and be safe.